Do you have any plans to resign or at least apologize formally?
I recognize that this was a situation that shouldn't have happened. But my desire to protect Canadians and at the same time to protect the integrity and the independence of our judicial institutions remained throughout. We recognize that the way this happened shouldn't have happened. I take responsibility for the mistakes that I made. At the same time, we learned many lessons through that, and we're aided and will be aided by the McClellan report, which has been released today. As I said, I take full responsibility. The buck stops with the Prime Minister, and I assume responsibility for everything that happened in my office. This is important because I truly feel that what happened over the past year shouldn't have happened. But we, at the same time, have a system in which we have to make improvements. There are many lessons to be learned on this, and that's why we will be moving forward with the recommendations on how to both advocate for the public interest and defend the integrity and the independence of our judicial and prosecutorial processes. Those things together are important linchpins of our system, and they shouldn't be put into conflict as they were, as spelled out by the Ethics Commissioner. So I recognize the lessons to be learned. I take them very seriously. I take, obviously, the Ethics Commissioner's report very seriously, and we will move forward to make sure that this never happens again under any government in this country.
Now, Trudeau may never face a court of law for his role in this scandal, but he will have to face the Canadian people over the next few weeks. And on the eve of this election, the choice before Canadians has never been more clear. Between a Prime Minister who abuses his power, bends the law for his friends, attempts to silence his critics, and destroys their reputation, and a Conservative government led by a Prime Minister who will uphold the rule of law, respect our democratic institutions, and help all Canadians get ahead.